Hi, welcome to day 10 of the Mixed Media Card Challenge. 30 mixed media cards using craft supplies you've probably got at home. So today's card is this one here. And if you want to find all the others, you'll find them in the description below on the screen, and join us for them all. Let's get started.
I'm just using an ordinary card blank, or you can just use a folded piece of card. It's entirely up to you. And these are just basic watercolour paints. Nothing special, nothing fancy. If your children have them, you can use those. It's no different, don't worry. And I'm just colouring it in, just making a background. Now, the more water you apply, the softer the background will be. The less water you apply, the more solid the colour. You could also, obviously, just do half of it, just do a diagonal line. You could do what you like, but just using watercolours for a background on a card is so easy. And gives you lots of flexibility, obviously, because you can get lots of different colours. You could even mix colours. And then all you're going to do is leave that to dry. And then it's time to add on anything else you want. So all I'm going to do to start with is think about my embellishments. So I've got this lovely circular thing to add, and also a little greeting, feel better. And that's one of the greetings you can download for free from my website. A link on the screen and in the description below. And I'm also going to use some of this washi tape. Washi tape is fabulous. Dead cheap. You can use it in loads of different projects, not just cards. And as you can see, you can get all the different colours. So I'm putting one at the top that pretty much matches the background, and one at the bottom that's a bit darker and has a gradient on it. Now you can cut these perfectly to fit. You can tear them like I have. It depends on the effect you're going for. And then all I'm going to do is attach my embellishments. Now I like to use the little foam pads that just raise them up nicely. It just gives a lovely 3D effect, but obviously you don't have to. You could just glue these on and be done. But I do like the effect. So you can see on a little greeting like that, I've just put 3 on. And another thing I do is eyeball it. If you're really worried about getting in the middle of your card, then feel free to measure it and mark it, but I tend to just stick them on. And you'll notice on a larger embellishment, I'm putting a few more pads on. There's no rules, you just do what you like. If you're enjoying this video and you want other people to make cards, please can you give me a thumbs up, because that really does help it spread to other people. And then once this is on, for me, this card is finished, but you could add some stamps, you could draw on it, anything you wanted. So I hope you've enjoyed it and you're going to make your own cards. Super simple, super easy, but everyone will enjoy.